SpaceX achieved something remarkable. They caught a giant rocket booster. This is a game changer. Why? Because reusable rockets mean cheaper space travel. SpaceX wants to make humanity multiplanetary. Affordable spaceflight is essential to that goal. This booster catch brings us closer than ever before. SpaceX is a company of dreamers and doers. They dare to imagine a future where we travel among the stars, and they build the technology to make it happen. This latest milestone is a testament to their vision. It is a giant leap for spaceflight. For too long we have been confined to Earth. Our dreams of exploring the cosmos have been limited by cost and technology. SpaceX is breaking down those barriers. They are opening up a new era of space travel, one where humanity can finally reach its full potential among the stars. SpaceX's Starship is no ordinary spacecraft. It's designed to be fully reusable. Imagine an airplane that can fly into space. That's Starship. It's designed to transport cargo and crew. It can go to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But Starship needs help to escape Earth's gravity. That's where Super Heavy comes in. Super Heavy is a massive rocket booster. It provides the initial thrust to launch Starship into space. Then, Super Heavy returns to Earth. It lands upright, ready to be used again. This reusability is key. Traditional rockets are discarded after one use. This is incredibly expensive. Imagine throwing away an airplane after every flight. SpaceX's reusable system changes the economics of space travel. It makes spaceflight more like air travel. The recent test flight was a major step forward. The goal was to launch Starship to a high altitude, then to safely return both Starship and Super Heavy to Earth. The test was a success. Super Heavy performed a series of complex maneuvers. It separated from Starship, then flipped around. It reignited its engines to slow its descent. Finally, it landed gracefully back on the launch pad. Catching a giant rocket booster is no easy feat. It requires incredible precision and control. SpaceX developed advanced technology to achieve this. Super Heavy is equipped with grid fins. These fins act like the wings of an airplane. They steer the booster during its return to Earth. SpaceX also developed sophisticated software. This software guides the booster's autonomous landing. Section 4. Building on past successes. This milestone builds on SpaceX's impressive track record. They have been launching rockets and spacecraft for years. They have mastered the art of reusable rockets. Their Falcon 9 rocket has landed hundreds of times. These successes have paved the way for Starship and Super Heavy. SpaceX is constantly innovating and pushing boundaries. They are not afraid to take risks and learn from their mistakes. This bold approach has allowed them to achieve what others thought impossible. They have become a leader in the aerospace industry. The successful booster catch is a testament to SpaceX's engineering prowess. It shows the power of perseverance and innovation. This achievement is a victory not just for SpaceX, but for all of humanity. Section 5. Overcoming regulatory hurdles. SpaceX's journey hasn't been without challenges. They have faced regulatory hurdles along the way. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, oversees space launches in the United States. SpaceX needed FAA approval for the Starship test flight. The FAA conducted a thorough environmental review. They wanted to ensure the safety of people and the environment. SpaceX worked closely with the FAA to address their concerns. The FAA ultimately granted approval for the test flight. This was a significant milestone for SpaceX. It demonstrated the government's confidence in their capabilities. Section 6. The future of space travel. SpaceX's achievements have profound implications for the future of space travel. Starship has the potential to revolutionize space exploration. It could enable us to build a permanent base on the Moon. It could take humans to Mars for the first time. It could even facilitate missions to the outer solar system. Imagine a future where we have cities on Mars, where we mine asteroids for resources, where we travel through the solar system as easily as we travel across oceans today. This is the future that SpaceX is building. The successful booster catch is a giant leap towards that future. It brings us closer to a time when space travel is commonplace, when humanity is no longer confined to Earth. This is a future worth striving for, a future where we become a truly spacefaring civilization.